Check it out. This is wireless CarPlay running on the 2014 to 17 Honda Odyssey. I'm going to show you now how to properly pair and set it up. Please watch to the end of this video to make sure that you're using the system properly. There's a few minor points that are key details. We're going to have a full installation video and an overview video on our YouTube channel. Check it out. Let's get started. With the Honda line from Hamilton Motor Company, we need to pair the phone both to the original Bluetooth network and to the Hamilton Bluetooth network. 2 networks in total. Go ahead now and pull out your iPhone and open up Settings and Bluetooth. From your Honda, see how it says no phone is connected? Let's go ahead and connect a phone. Make sure that Bluetooth is on the phone.
The pairing process requires operation of a Bluetooth device. For proper system function, a compatible Bluetooth device is required. Please visit the Hands-Free System website, listed in the owner's manual, for a list of approved devices and other system information. From the displayed list, select the desired device.
And there's the iPhone. We'll go ahead and select it.
Compare the numbers displayed on your device and on the vehicle display.
We'll click Pair to that, and we'll click Allow to Contacts and Favorites.
Connection setup is complete. The device has been added.
And just like that, the factory Bluetooth pairing is complete. Make sure you see that Bluetooth icon. Now long hold the back key or the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds. We'll have the Hamilton underlying operating system appear. Come to Bluetooth and note your Hamilton device name. We're going to pair the device also to your iPhone through the Hamilton Bluetooth network. Once again, we'll come to Bluetooth. Scroll down at the bottom and wait under Other Devices until you see a device starting with Hamilton that appears. You may need to turn Bluetooth off and on briefly, and when you see the device starting with Hamilton that appears, click it. A pairing code will pop up. You can touch Pair, click Allow to Contacts and Favorites, and finally, when you get a prompt that says Connect to CarPlay, click Connect. So you'll keep your phone always paired to both that original Bluetooth and the new Hamilton network. You'll note that CarPlay uses Bluetooth to initiate the connection, and then it automatically takes over your phone's Wi-Fi network. We can interact in CarPlay using the knob here. Coming to the Hamilton button and touching Enter will take us back to the Hamilton underlying operating system. You want to make sure that in Settings, System, Use Cars Bluetooth channel is turned on. If this is not turned on from Hamilton, go ahead and turn it on now and let the device reboot. Back in Settings with the car rebooted, you can come down here to Car Settings, Reversing Settings, and make sure this Lane Watch feature, Show with Turn Signal, is turned on. This means that when you turn your right turn signal on, it will automatically bring up that side camera, or when you touch the button on the turn signal. You can use the back buttons to get home and come right back into CarPlay. As a final note, once you have CarPlay showing with your phone paired to both the factory and Hamilton networks, come down here on your lower media unit, touch Audio Source. Make sure the source is set to factory Bluetooth. This device will use your factory Bluetooth channel to play audio. Now you're ready to use the Hamilton Upgrade Kit. Once again, you have your phone paired to that factory Honda network. You have your phone paired also to the Hamilton Bluetooth network. You've turned on Use Cars Factory Bluetooth channel. I'll make one final note for you. On the phone, when CarPlay is paired from the control center, see how the Wi-Fi icon has turned white? This is because CarPlay takes over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. If I touch that white Wi-Fi icon, I'll get a prompt to disconnect CarPlay. To disconnect CarPlay, you would touch the disconnect button from your iPhone. Once again, you can see that feature is from Apple, not from Hamilton. And then CarPlay will automatically repair and reconnect. It's using that Bluetooth to initiate the connection and then taking over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. If you don't want it to reconnect, turn off Wi-Fi and then turn Bluetooth off, and now CarPlay will not reconnect. If we do want it to reconnect, just turn Bluetooth back on, wait a couple seconds. You'll see that Wi-Fi icon is turning white as the Bluetooth channel is taken over, and there's wireless CarPlay. We're going to have a complete overview and installation video. We also have resources on our Help Center. Check us out, HamiltonMotorCompany.com. You can click Help Center in the top bar of our website. We've got concierge-style tech support here to help at 919-858-2890. You can talk to me or one of my team members. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.